Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I've got another pedicure video for you. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll get my clippers and cut off any excess length from my toenails. Next, I'll get my cuticle pen and push back my cuticles. I'll come in with my file, then I'll file the surface and the edges as well. I'll come in with a dehydrator and get rid of any excess dust or oils that might be on the nails. I'll get my Model 1's base coat and give my nails one coat each. Afterwards, I'll just cure them in the UV light for about 60 seconds. I would like to thicken up my nails a little bit, so I'll get a nude gel and give it kind of a lighter layer onto my nails. Afterwards, I'll just cure them for 60 seconds. Now I'll get my gel polish. I'll be using this in the color Wine. I'll give my toenails one coat each, then cure them for about 60 seconds. I'll go ahead and give it a second coat, then go ahead and cure them again. Now I'll get my glossy top coat and give my nails one coat each. Afterwards, I'll cure them for 60 seconds in the UV light. I've got here some holographic chrome powder, so I will pick up a little bit and brush it onto my nails. I want that glass, mirror effect. Afterwards, I'll seal them up with a glossy top coat. Come in with some cuticle oil. And here we are. So this is it, guys, and I hope I did help you. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.